yesterday. This is for 6th and 7th class. For 7th class, this is 3rd chapter, and for 6th class, this is 7th chapter. And adjectives is the 6th chapter. Degree of adjectives is 7th chapter according to 6th class. But 7th class, this is continue with the 3rd chapter of adjectives. And yesterday we discussed about the adjective and kinds of adjectives. Today we discuss about the degrees of adjectives. Here we have how we compare the degrees. When we compare two or more nouns, we use the adjectives in 3 degrees. We are when we compare, जब हम नाउन को कंपेयर करते हैं दो या दो से ज़्यादा, तो उन वी यूज़ एडजेक्टिव्स की डिग्रीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं. 3 degrees आर देयर. फर्स्ट इज़ पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड थर्ड वन इज़ सुपरलेटिव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव अ नाउन दिस गुड. Lata is a good singer. We are having a adjective is good. So good adjective को हम degrees में कैसे compare करेंगे? We will make this is the positive degree, means first degree. Second one is better, that is comparative, and best is the superlative. Comparative degree is generally followed by the conjunction then. Superlative degree is preferred by the and quite often followed by of. For example, it means अगर then sentence में है, then is given in the sentence, then you will use comparative degree. This is compulsory to make sure that this is the important point, that when you will see the then in your sentence, you will use only comparative degrees. Just make sure that. And according to the superlative degree, you should be proceed by the. In the sentence, you will proceed by the and quite often followed by of. Just you see in the example, Shraddha is the best singer. With superlative degrees, you will use the. Now they are the formation of some comparative superlative degrees. They are you will see, by adding er and est to the adjectives, we will make them comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. So you will see positive, comparative. First is clear, clever. Clever की comparative क्या होगा हमारे पास? Clever, cleverer. Superlative is cleverest. Like this, they are the example of the some comparative and superlative degrees. You can see all the words have their comparative and superlative degrees according to the sentences we will use. If in the sentences we use the then you will use comparative degrees, and with superlative degrees you will use the. They are the examples of some comparative and superlatives. करेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ इरेगुलर कंपैरेटिव्स. इरेगुलर कंपैरेटिव्स को हम कैसे यूज़ करेंगे? लेट अस नाउ लर्न एंड करेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ some of the irregular comparatives. First one is later and latest refer to time. They are refer to the time. I will come later. Have you heard the latest news? Later. Laters, you will see the spelling of later and last refer to position. ये दोनों आपको पोजीशन के लिए काम यूज़ होंगे. एंड लेटर एंड लेटेस्ट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर टाइम, एज यू सी इन द सेंटेंसेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, our house is the last house on the street. You will use the with the superlative. I refer the later song of the former. Like this only, elder and eldest are used only for people, not for animals or things, and are now confined to members of the same family. I have an elder sister. Tanrun is the eldest son. It means elder sister means उस सिस्टर से भी बड़ा कोई और है, और तरुण जो है वो सबसे बड़ा है. Like this only older and older oldest we use can be used with the reference of both people and things. हम things और people दोनों के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं older and oldest. Jatin is older than Jignesh by 2 years. Harish is the oldest employee of this company. Like this, here are the examples of different things. And now I will give you some exercise to do for on the basis of degrees. So here is the question: filling the blanks with the correct degree of adjectives, and some adjectives are given in the bracket. You will use them and you will do it on your own. This is the homework. And make sure that 6th class put chapter number 7, and then you will write topic degree of adjectives. This is 7th chapter according to 6th class, and 7th class this is continue with the 3rd chapter adjectives. आपका adjectives के अंदर ही अगला टॉपिक है ये, और 6th क्लास के लिए ये 7th चैप्टर है. This is the homework. You have to do it in your fair notebook. If you have any queries related to the exercise or some notes, you will ask personally. This is made by Jyoti Chaudhary.